Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and today we are going to work with this antique label book I've had for many a years. Apparently this is for decoupage or decoration, and it just had pages of different antique and vintage advertising. So I have taken them all out and backed them with just file folder. And there's a couple, like these honey ones, they haven't been backed because I'm going to use them specifically for that. This one I'll probably use in a patriotic journal. But these are the ones that I had left in addition to the ones I'm going to show you. So I'm going to tuck these away with my labels and use them at my discretion. But this is one that was in here. Is it? Yeah, I think this is one that was in there. And I just had this old envelope and just turned it into a little open or a little pocket. This is the digital I had, and as is this, and just made it into an envelope that either can be tucked in. This could be journal space, or it could be on a page as a pocket as well, or a side pocket. So that's what I did with that one, just out of the blue. But what I wanted to show you is sometimes whether you're taking old advertisements from books or catalogs or magazines, and some of them, the images just aren't quite what you want. And this is a good example of that. It's for Buckingham Bright Cut Plug Smoking Tobacco. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but I think maybe it's like, I don't know. I'm not even going to venture to guess because I don't really know. But I don't really want the smoking tobacco thing in my journals. I mean, not that I'm care either way, but because it's gorgeous. But I'm thinking if I'm doing a tea journal or a shabby chic journal, I could probably come up with something better than that. For this one, I think it's gorgeous like it is, but I'm not really thrilled with the lion. I mean, I could get a butterfly out, monarch tea. That would be really cool. But we're just going to talk about covering these and just turning them into something a little bit new to maybe spark some creativity when you're looking at things in one way, when you're maybe tearing apart a book, or like I said, harvesting some kind of magazine, that you might want to think about, gosh, it's beautiful. The images are beautiful. The font is beautiful. How could I jazz it up a little bit? And this is going to be a very fast, very easy example of that. So this I found, it's a silver teacup. It is metallic. And what happened was I was getting things out, and I was just throwing things from my shabby chic bundles, not bundles, but you know, my stash. And I just threw it on here, and it kind of landed like that. And I went, oh, I really kind of like that. Just like that. But now that I said the monarch and the butterfly, we might want to add a butterfly. So let me see if I can find one really quick. Under here, in my bees, bugs, and butterflies, let's see what I have that might be small enough, not too overwhelming, although a monarch with the orange would be cute, wouldn't it? Oh, that one's way too big. See how big that is, but look how cool. I mean, seriously though, if it was a little bit smaller, that would look pretty cool on there. You can make a tea monarch, but I want to use this teacup because I really like it. So let's see if we can find a smaller butterfly. What are you guys all up to and working on? Anything exciting? I am just trying to get some things off my desk. I have, I have a lot of videos I need to do. Nope. All right, I'm just going to go about making a mess is what I'm going to do. That's all of these are like the, I don't know if you say PET or PET. That's not horrible. Ooh, here's one that's orange and smaller. I kind of like that one. All right, we're using it. We're not going too crazy. Hang on, let me put all these away. So I'm trying to get all of those done and decide on what I'm taking to vacation. And that's about it. That is about it. Well, gosh, this cannot get any easier than that. All right. Let's just work on this one, get it together, and then we'll glue them all. All right, this one might need a little bit more thought. Oh, I like that with that. I love this tiered tray with the, ooh, that's cute. Okay, hang on a second. How can we, yeah, I really like this showing right here. All right. Maybe then this won't look so bad. That's not too shabby. I don't know, I just had that. I guess I could put this on the top. Just to get to use it. Oh, here. So I have those two little ones. You know what? This one, we might use one of those over there too. I don't think we need that, do we? I'm going to go with no. All right, let's just glue these down. We're going to come back to this one, though, and I want to see. I think that might give it might be too much. Let's come down here a little bit. I am not getting those butterflies back out. That looks like it's coming out of the teacup. No, it's kind of taken away from that, isn't it? All right. It looks pretty cool just like that with that, doesn't it? I really kind of wanted to use this on there. But we're not going to. It's cute, but no. All right, let's just use, we got to get the teacup down first. And again, these are just backed with, oh, I might need something on the back. Well, good thing I looked at that. We'll put one of those sunflower things on the back of it. File folder is what I backed it with, if you couldn't tell. And we just want that to be in the center and cover up that little bye-bye lion. And then this is a sticker. Gosh, I hope it looks okay once because it's transparent, we'll see. Where did I have that? I don't even remember. There we go. We just juiced that up, didn't we? Black Monarch tea. Okay, let's see if one of these will cover this. Oh, look at that. Maybe we want Shua. Well, we fixed. Problemo solved. And we're going to put this underneath here. Only because I just want to move things from my desk. But I've shared several books where, you know, it's old advertisements and things like that. So if you find one of those and you want to cut it apart and repurpose it, this is a perfect example of, whoa, how you can do that. With little or no effort. Very beginner friendly. There we go. All right, did. I love it. All right, let's do this one. First of all, we're going to get this. And again, I'm just using this because it's a scrap and it's on my desk. Done. Oops, I'm knocking things over. All right, put you down. And, oh, where did I have it? Well, it's going there now. Don't want to have to think too much about it. I'm not very exciting today. Oh, which reminds me. Oh, boy. Sometimes, you know, you just got to laugh. But I had somebody that said on one of my videos, boring, had to go. It was some guy. And I was like, really, dude? Like, if you didn't like it, you don't even have to waste your time telling me. Just go away. Oh. I'm not always going to be sunshine and rainbows. It's not going to be that exciting every single time. But, oh, it just cracked me up. It's like, okay, well, bye-bye. I can't make this stuff up, I tell you. I sometimes think I should do, go back to my year. I mean, I know I joke about it sometimes, but to my years of doing etiquette training and maybe do a social media etiquette and education training. Ay, oy, oy. All right, there you go. I kind of put this down too far because I wanted that to show a little bit more. So I'm just going to move it up a smidgy. Make sure. There we go. And I want it off the side of the page. I like that. See, now you can see the background. You've basically just transformed that whole thing into more of a background. This one still stands out as it kind of is. So really fun, really easy. This one I did nothing with. I just kind of layered it up. But consider that when you're working with things like this. And if you're interested and you ever find this, it's called the Hallmark Antique Label Book with 13 designs, decoupage or decoration, and it gives you the directions. So I am going to keep these with my advertising goodness, and then that way I can use them later on. But until then, I hope that you all are working on something fun and crafty. I appreciate every single one of you, you know, from the bottom of my heart. And I hope that you take a little time and remember to just be, and we will see you on the next video. Until then, cheers.